Namaskar friends, I Poonam Dogra on behalf of Wechitra Enterprises welcome you all and hope you all are doing very well. Now friends, today we are going to cover a very important topic related to energy audits, and you must be waiting for this topic because this is the interesting one. So we are going to cover So friends, we are covering tools and techniques, and in this particular video you are going to see different kind of tools which are being used in energy audit, and we'll see where we use these tools and why we use these tools. So friends, first one is flow testing. Flow testing, as the name suggests, flow of a liquid is being tested in different areas in different systems. Like in HVAC system, we check the flow of pump, we check the flow coming through chillers, and we also check CT, cooling tower flow, to check the efficiency of pumps and to check the efficiency of chiller. Flow testing is must. And also in plumbing STP system, flow testing is being done. So this is a kind of tester we use or tool we use, which is known as ultrasonic flow tester, and here you can see two different companies flow tester. So friends, this is flow testing. Now the next one is power analysis, and this is being done mainly in electrical system. Like for transformer we do power analysis, for DGs we do power analysis. So what is power analysis? Power analysis provide us the insight of various electrical parameters like voltage, current, power factor, active power. Active power is kVA, reactive power kVH, apparent power is your kW, kilowatt, and energy consumption, what is the energy consumption for a particular period of time, and also harmonic distortion. This is very main because many of the industries do this power analysis for checking their harmonics level. So harmonic distortion is also being checked in power analysis. So this kind of tool is being used, which is known as power analyzer, and I have also created a separate video on power analyzer. You can check that video. And this is the kind of graph we get after recording by software of the particular type of power analyzer. So power analysis is also a very important tool or very important technique in energy audit for knowing the different parameters of the power we are getting in the industry. Next one is thermal imaging. So here you can see this is a thermal imager, and this kind of report is being generated by the thermal analysis. This is a IR picture, infrared picture, which we get after this thermal analysis. So thermal imaging is being done to check the heating in different areas of the building. Like in electrical system, we talk if we talk about electrical system, connections, electrical cables can have thermal heating, bus bars can have thermal heating. So the temperature of the electrical system is being checked by this thermal imager, and this is also being used in boilers also, or in other equipments also, but mainly this is being used in electrical system for checking the temperature of the parameters of the system. And Indian standards followed for thermal analysis is 16168, IS 16168. So this will give the guideline of the range and limit of temperature which is being checked at site. So it is in which limit? It is like in severe limit, it is in high limit, or it is in now the next one is illumination test, or we call it lux level testing. So this is being done to measure the amount of light present in a specific area. Like say if you talk about specific areas like electrical panel room or pump room, or it can be your corridor, your offices area, and in hospital main admin area and theater area. So the lux level is being defined in Indian standards 3646, and we do the checking that is the lux level at a particular area is within the limit of these standards or not. So this is being done at site in energy audit also, and with this it provide a safe and comfortable environment. And also we can check that if a particular area is over illuminated or have lack of light, then this can be given in the report. So this kind of lux meter or tool which is known as lux meter is being used for lux testing. So friends, here are some other equipments which are being used in energy audit. So this first one is temperature and humidity meter. So this is being used to check the dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature and humidity at different equipments. Like for cooling tower, here we are checking for a cooling tower, and for AHUs, air handling units, and at ambient temperature if we are checking in some areas. And this one is anemometer. Friends, why we use anemometer? Please do comment and check why we use anemometer. This is the homework for you. And this is clamp meter. So clamp meter is used to check the electrical parameters like current, voltage, and here we are checking the current of a capacitor. So these are other equipments, and other more equipments are being used in energy audit. So mainly these are the main equipments we have covered here. Now friends, here you can see some of the pictures which are taken at site, and the first picture is of thermal imager by which the bus bar temperature is being checked here in LT panel. The next one is checking wind speed, and this is a cooling tower. The third picture is of installing a power analyzer in a panel. And here again you can see some other pictures. So this is a clamp meter used to check the current of capacitor bank. This is anemometer checking the wind speed of the cooling tower, and this is ultrasonic flow tester by which the pump flow is being tested at site. So these are the pumps, and flow of water in this pipe is being checked using this ultrasonic flow tester. So friends, this is it in this video regarding tools and techniques used in energy audits. Although other tools are being used, but main tools we have covered here. So how you find this video, please comment below, and if you have any suggestions, any queries, do comment. And how you find this video, give your reviews, and do subscribe to our channel, do like it. Finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.